most organizations will try to solve this internally by building out capabilities within their existing tech stack. So they might take a software like Salesforce and try to extend built capabilities within Salesforce to solve these problems. And the truth is, Salesforce is not designed to solve these problems, and it doesn't have the capability today to solve those problems. Likewise, companies will try to invest in their ticketing systems and try to extend those into areas that solve this, but those systems are not also designed to solve these problems. So trying to build, and then the problem is, even if you're building, whether it's homegrown technology or building an extension out of an existing software platform, those projects are expensive. And even when you get them done, in order to make ongoing revisions and changes and new adds to those systems, it takes time and money. And you have a development team that you have to get on a roadmap, you put in requests, it takes time for those development teams to make those changes. So it's a very costly, very time-consuming process. That's one. The other would be that many firms have tried to create like SharePoint sites where they're creating, dashboards, web-hosted sites where they're trying to share information, but that really lacks the integration into the existing systems, and it lacks the ability for the merchants or the end customers to be involved. Those are usually internal support tools. And inevitably, even when you go to those sites, you're having to toggle between multiple platforms, and you're getting information that's not really integrated into the systems that you're working with. So integrations can be costly, and if firms try to go out and build all these integrations themselves to third parties to try to get the information flowing, those integrations can be expensive and take time. And then if they're not done right or they have to be updated, it's expensive to maintain. So, we really solve all of those problems in that we provide a solution that's purpose-built to solve these problems, and it connects to those existing systems like CRM systems, ticketing systems, through what we call pre-built connectors, because we already have integrations to the major software platforms out there. We do the integrations work for the enterprise, and then our data is integrated into existing systems, so that ultimately we're giving you a solution that is truly designed to solve these problems. And it's a low-code, no-code software, so that if you want to make changes to journeys or even to web chat or web AI, anybody in the organization can go in and actually make those changes on the fly, given it's a no-code tool. So you don't have to wait for development resources, much less expensive to administer and much more agile in terms of being able to develop and fix things and improve things on the fly.